Hi guys, my name is Ross and today we're doing a little walk around video of our 2014 Maserati Ghibli in white with around 49,000 miles. Super clean car. Got the Maserati logos and the aftermarket brand new wheels with tires. As you can see, the body is really clean. No imperfections that I can see. Alright guys, so here we're going to do a cold start on the Maserati for you. As you can tell, it's a good sounding Maserati. Interior looks clean. Very little wear. Of course, touchscreen. Yeah, the seats are in really good condition, and you have the Maserati emblem again on the headrest each side. And a beautiful interior. AC, of course. Radio. We got all our vehicles smogged and inspected and it came up good.